This video is about a super effective technique that combines vector massage pinching and facial exercises to balance your muscles, smooth out nasolabial folds, and reduce under-eye bags. Unlike regular massage, this method doesn't require oil and works deep into the tissues for a natural lifting effect. Grab a mirror, follow along, and let's sculpt a lifted, toned face together. Let's begin with gentle circular movements of the shoulders. Open up your chest as much as possible, no need to rush. Sit up straight, with the crown of your head reaching up. Focus on the movement of your shoulder blades. Keep breathing. I know you're eager to move on to the face, but bodywork is essential and should never be skipped. Tension in the shoulders and neck blocks circulation and lymphatic drainage, leading to puffiness and deepening wrinkles, including nasolabial folds and under-eye bags. By improving posture and releasing neck tension, we help fluids drain away from the face. Now, slowly tilt your head toward your shoulder and gently reach your top ear toward the ceiling. Switch sides. Always keep a slight upward stretch with your ear while keeping your shoulders relaxed. No need to overstretch, just 30% intensity is enough. Hold for about 10 seconds. Posture plays a key role in how the face looks. A tight neck can make the lower face appear heavier and less defined. Stretching helps improve lymphatic drainage and enhances the contour of the jawline. Find the long muscle running from the base of your skull to your collarbone. If you're unsure, tilt your head slightly and turn it to the side. You should feel it engage. You can also press your temple gently against an imaginary wall to locate it. Now, take this muscle between your fingers and knead it gently. If you find a tight spot, hold there a little longer. Releasing tension in this area is crucial. When this muscle is tight, it traps fluids in the face, contributing to puffiness. Massaging it helps circulation, improves posture, and lifts the facial contours. Massage your ears, covering the entire surface, inside and out. This might feel unusual, but it's a powerful technique. The ears contain acupressure points connected to facial circulation. Stimulating them enhances blood flow, boosts lymph drainage, and speeds up skin rejuvenation. Next, place your fingers under your hair and gently press into your scalp. Shift the entire scalp. Feel the skin gliding over the skull. Work through the entire head, from the nape of the neck to the forehead. If you find any tight areas, spend extra time there. This technique releases tension in the connective tissue that links the forehead to the back of the skull. When this area is tight, the forehead can drop, causing puffiness and sagging around the eyes. By improving circulation here, we firm the face and smooth forehead wrinkles. And, as a finishing touch, gently run your fingers through your hair to stimulate circulation. If your hair tends to get greasy easily, you can skip this step. Let's make firm upward pinches using your thumb and index finger. Work along key points like under the corners of your mouth, the sides of your nose, and the base of your eyebrows. Pinch firmly, but don't pull the skin. Imagine you're fluffing up the face, like fluffing a pillow. Grab and release upwards. Move across the mid-face in sections, starting from the center of the lower jaw, moving up under the cheekbone, then to the middle of the eyebrow. And finally, working along the jaw corners, cheekbones, and outer brows. These are muscle attachment points. Pinching them delivers oxygen and nutrients to the skin, reduces puffiness and swelling, smooths out wrinkles and fine lines, keeps skin youthful and elastic. Now, gently pinch your temples using small but firm movements. The temporal muscles play a big role in how the eyes look. When they're tight, they create crow's feet and make the eyes appear smaller. By releasing this tension, we open up the eye area, making the face look fresher and more awake. Next, pinch along your eyebrows, moving from the inner corners to the outer edges. Keep the movements firm but controlled, avoid pulling the skin. After pinching, rub the brows between your fingers, pressing them against the skull. This improves circulation, reduces under-eye bags, and enhances lymphatic drainage. Place your hands on the sides of your face and gently lift the skin toward the crown of your head. Open your mouth into a relaxed O shape, look slightly above the horizon, and blink rapidly. This simple but powerful movement helps release tension in the temples and eye area, reducing puffiness. Place your fingers on the inner corner of your eye, apply light pressure, and begin gently massaging this area with small, precise movements. The amplitude should be minimal, but the pressure should be firm enough. The orbicularis oculi muscle attaches along the entire orbital bone, so it's important to work through it thoroughly. With one hand, lift your eyebrow, and with the other, locate the orbital bone. Once you find it, start pressing and massaging the muscle attachment points with small, focused movements. Work along the orbital bone step by step. Start at the base of the eyebrow, then gradually move from the inner corner of the eye to the outer corner. Be careful not to touch the eyeball. Now, lift the outer edge of your eyebrow, place your fingers on your temple, and make small vibrating motions side to side. This helps relax the temple area and the attachment points of the orbicularis oculi muscle. Place your hand on your temple, gently pull the skin upward, and once again work along the lower edge of the orbital bone, using 1 or 2 fingers to softly massage the tissues. These exercises help release tension in the orbicularis oculi muscle. When it's tight, it contracts, leading to fluid retention under eye bags and wrinkles. By relaxing it, we smooth the skin and reduce puffiness. For under-eye firming, place your middle finger at the inner corner of your eye and your index finger at the outer corner. Look slightly above the horizon and try to squint only your lower eyelid. Keep your forehead relaxed, avoid frowning, and relax your jaw and lips. Do this dynamically at first, then hold in static tension. This strengthens the eye muscles and prevents sagging and under-eye bags. Finish with light tapping movements to relax the area. Rub your hands together until they're warm, place them over your eyes and take a deep breath. With your eyes closed, try pushing your eyeballs outward on the exhale and pulling them inward on the inhale. It might feel strange at first, but just visualize the movement. This activates deep eye muscles that often weaken due to constant screen time. Slowly move your hands away, gently open your eyes and focus on the farthest point in your field of vision. Place your index finger under the tip of your nose, slightly opening your mouth. Gently push your nose down while resisting with your finger. This movement should be subtle, creating only light resistance. Make sure not to frown. If needed, place your other hand on your forehead to keep it relaxed. Perform this movement in a dynamic way first, then hold the position statically for a few seconds. This exercise improves muscle tone around the nose, preventing fluid retention and enhancing the overall definition of the mid-face. Using small, firm pinches, work along the sides of your nose. These pinches stimulate circulation, improve lymphatic flow, and help reduce nasal congestion and puffiness in the under-eye area. Slowly open and close your mouth, making sure to do so smoothly without jerky movements. Only open your mouth up to 80% of your maximum range. Avoid any discomfort or clicking sounds in the temporomandibular joint. If your jaw wobbles, lightly support it with your hands for better control. Perform this movement over 3 to 5 slow counts to release tension in the jaw muscles, improve circulation, and reduce fluid retention in the lower face. Tuck your lips over your teeth and try to smile while keeping the corners of your mouth in place. They should not spread outward. This mimics the movement of a natural smile. If you want to feel the muscle engagement, try smiling normally first, then repeat the movement with your lips tucked in. Finish by placing your fingers under your cheekbones and using small vibrating motions to relax the area. Just like before, go over different points under the cheekbone, using firm, bouncy pinches. Start from the area near the sides of the nose, then move along the entire bone towards the ear. Place your thumb right under the bone and avoid pulling the skin. Think of it as gently whipping up the face tissue. Now, let's activate the deeper layers of the lips. Hold your lips in place with your fingers and push the inner part of your lips forward. Not the tips, but the deeper inner tissue. If you feel your chin getting tense or bumpy, try opening your mouth wider. This exercise strengthens the lips, reduces wrinkles around the mouth, and softens nasolabial folds. Finish with gentle pinching to relax the area. Press your lips against your teeth using your hands and move the air inside your mouth from one cheek to the other, keeping it low near the bottom of your cheeks. Make sure there's no air left between your lips and teeth. This strengthens the cheek area, improves lymphatic drainage, and lifts the lower face, helping to soften nasolabial lines. For the final touch, use small but firm pinches to go over vertical lines below the corners of the mouth, along the sides of the nose, and near the base of the eyebrows. Follow the same lifting lines we used earlier, always directing movements upward for a natural lifting effect. Now, gently pinch the forehead. Rub your hands together to warm them up and place your warm palms on your face. Use soft pulsing vibrations to lightly lift the skin upwards. This final step stimulates circulation, relaxes facial muscles, and gives the skin a fresh, lifted feeling. Great job! My face is already feeling more toned and refreshed. Keep practicing regularly 3 to 5 times a week for the best results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And if you'd like to support my work, you can use the Super Thanks feature or become a channel member. This helps me create even more valuable content for you. See you in the next video.